Welcome back to another episode of Home Sweet Home Cooking. I'm your host Rocky. Today I am going to do a recipe off of the Taste of Home website. It is for a spicy bean and beef pie. Oh, this is my mom Kathy. We're in her kitchen, of
I'm
course,
gonna watch.
as usual. Yeah, neither one of us made this before. I found this just looking across. I was looking for recipes for black beans because we both like black beans, and this one popped up. So, I don't know why it says spicy. I guess if you're using a spicier picante sauce, it would be spicy. It looks pretty easy to make. There's a bunch of ingredients that go in it though. I've already gone ahead and started prepping some stuff in the bowl. I've got 1 pound of ground beef. It's browned, and right before it finished browning, we threw in 2 cloves of minced garlic. So that's already taken care of. To that, we're going to add, let me make sure to get this right. In a large bowl, combine the soup with 1 can of condensed bean soup, and if you don't like bean recipes, obviously, or don't like beans, this is not going to be a recipe for you to try because it has 1 can of soup. To that, we're going to add 1 cup of picante. It calls for a total of 2 cups. The rest is going to be on the top for garnish. So 1 cup, we just have salsa in this case because that's what we had in the fridge. And I guess this is where you could make it spicy. We just got a medium salsa. If you want to go with the hot, you could make it hotter there. Cornstarch, 1/4 cup. That's going to help thicken it. Parsley, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley. We had cilantro, which is basically Mexican parsley. Paprika, salt and pepper. So it's 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And I really don't know, like I say, we're looking for black bean recipes, and I don't know why this caught my eye, caught my attention. It sounded like something that would be right up my alley because I really do like beans. My girlfriend doesn't like it that I like beans. Enough said. So 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Next is going to be a can of kidney beans rinsed and drained, and a can of black beans rinsed and drained. So I got those over here. To that is 1.5 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. I've got 2 cups here because it calls for a 1/2 cup at the end, so I'll put 1.5 cups in there. And 1/2 cup of onions. It calls for a total of 3/4 cups of sliced green onion. So I've got some left over for garnish, and put half of it in here. I use mostly the whites down in the portion that's going to go in the pie, and use the green for garnish on top, and then the beef mixture on the bottom. So we'll give this a stir. Alright, stirred and mixed together. It looks like a chunky, I don't know, chunky mess, but it looks good, it smells good. Next step is going to be to get some pie crust. These are just store-bought pie crusts. One on the bottom. That's going to make more than this one pie. There's going to be extras. I don't think I can get all this in one pie. but I will sure try. Yeah, we'll get her in there. Okay, make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, it does not call for anything else in there, just that. Clean this up just a little bit. The edge crust to be available to make a good seal. And this is pretty dense. It's not very liquidy, so I don't really see it spilling out too much, but I'm sure we'll put a cookie sheet under it or a pizza pan. And the other piece is going to go on top. I'm just going to match them up. And I'm just going to crimp the edges. Nothing fancy. You can use a fork. I'm just going to pinch and seal, kind of roll it over on itself, pinch it down.
You want a fork?
No. Just like that. And place over filling, trim, seal, flute the edges, cut slits in the top. And that's it. 425-degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. Let's stand for 5 minutes before cutting and serve with sour cream, your remaining salsa, onions, cheese, and sliced black olives. So we're going to get this in the oven, get it cooked, and come back and have some hopefully delicious bean pie. Alright, so it is out of the oven. It's been sitting for at least 20 minutes. It is still warm, plenty warm. We're going to dig into it. See how bad I mangle it getting it out. Didn't do too bad at all.
It looks good enough to eat.
It does look good. So they say to serve it with some sour cream. Some cheese, some green onions, some black olives, and you can also serve it with more of the salsa, the picante sauce if you want. I'll forego that, but that looks delicious. So I already got the forks.
Oh, okay.
So give this a try. A little bit of sour cream, some cheese in there. Oh wow.
Oh wow, what?
Oh wow. That's good. Very surprising. I knew I was gonna like it, but I didn't.
But I didn't know I was gonna like it.
I didn't think it was gonna be this good. This is delicious. That's fantastic. I think a few extra seasonings in there would be good. A little bit of cumin, a little bit of hot sauce if you want to spice it up a little bit, or maybe it's some chipotle, a chipotle pepper in the mix too. That would be good. But that is, folks, that's delicious. Easy to make, not expensive yet. Your most expensive thing there is the beef. You want a canned beans aren't too expensive. So yeah, cheap and easy. Just how I like my girls. So folks, Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell down in the corner. You get a ringy ding ding anytime we put a new video out. Leave a comment if you have any more pies like this. Put the recipes down below. I like these casserole type dinner pies, pot pies, bean pies, meat pies. I love them all. Shepherd's pie. I do want to do a shepherd's pie someday. So folks, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it, and I hope that you get to watch another video of mine, because I do this for y'all and for us, because we have fun doing them. So
For y'all.
For
You
y'all.
from the south?
I'm from the south. Good night, guys.